Okay, we have another question to solve. Jamb 2011 question 9. And we're asked to simplify this very problem. And at the end of the solution, to pick the very best option. Okay, let us see what we need to do. For me, I have about 3 ways to resolve this very problem. I have about 3 steps to resolve it. But at time will not permit me to use the 3 steps. I will use one of the steps. Okay, now let us now have the question. We have it as root 2 plus 1 over root 3, and they are both in brackets, and we have another one, the same thing of course, root 2 minus 1 over root 3. The only difference is the sign, okay? We have the same things in bracket. The only difference is the sign, okay? The addition and the subtraction. Okay, let us see now. For this one, we have difference of 2 squared. Please just look at it. We have what? Difference of 2 squared. I will use one of the bracket to open one. Either I use the first one to open the second, or I use the second to open the first. Okay, let me now use the first one to open the second. Okay, if I want to open it now using the first, I need to take the first one first, which is the root 2. I will use root 2 to open first. Okay, become root 2 outside the bracket. I have the second bracket, which is root 2 minus 1 over root 3, and also the second one there is 1 over root 3. Okay, that one was also open. That is 1 over root 3 was also open. And the bracket, the second bracket is root 2 minus 1 over root 3. Okay, now I will now do the final opening now. Okay, for this one now we have root 2 outside. Opening this very one now become root 4. Okay, root 2 times root 2. Okay, this one also open this become root 2. Okay, all over root 3. Okay, now we have the next one to open, 1 over 3 to open. That is 1 over 3 times it becomes 2 over root 3. Okay, this one will also open this. I will have plus times minus minus. This one opening this one and become 1 over root 9. Okay, now let me now bring this one to this very part here. Become root 4. Okay, minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2 over root 3, and we have minus there, okay, all over root 9. This one will kill this, okay? What is left there is going to be root 4, okay, minus 1 over root 9. Okay, for this one, I can also go further and say, okay, this one will be 2, root 4 is 2, while this one will have root 9, it's a perfect square. Become 1, that is minus 1 over 3. I will have minus 1 over 3. Okay, now the second one is a fraction. The first one is not a fraction. I will make it over 1, that is 2 over 1. So that both of them will be a fraction. Now, in between we have minus. Okay, don't forget whenever we have 2 fractions and there is addition or subtraction in between, we take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, the denominators there are simply 1 and 3. And therefore the LCM become 3. Okay, 3 to that is say 1 now sharing, that is say 1 share 3 is going to be 3. That is 1 share 3 will be 3. That 3 now needs to multiply to have 6. Okay, 3 share 3 is 1 times 1, I will have 1. Okay, that is what I have there. Therefore the final thing there become 5 because 6 minus 1 will be 5. Okay, we have 5 over 3. Okay, I think we have something like that. Let us see. We have something like that on the board. That from the very options, we have something like that. That is to say, the best option is B. Okay, the best option is simply option B. Okay, for this one now, we can conclude at this very end so that we can move on to the next question. We can move on to the next question. We are okay with this. Okay, just check it out. We are okay with this. We are okay with this. Okay, I will just give 1 minute to go through while I conclude and move on to the next one. Okay, are we okay with this? Are we okay? Just check it out. Yes, we are very much okay. Now, please don't forget to like my page, Jamb Online Mathematics, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.